Do you always wish for a tool that offers unlimited free AI art generation and helps you create stunning art like these? If yes, then just watch the next 1 minute. You'll discover an amazing AI tool to generate stunning art for 100% free. Let's start with 3 simple steps. Step 1, Introduction and Create Account. First, head over to the AIease tool by clicking the link in the description. AIease is a powerful AI platform offering free image generation along with a variety of other AI tools. To create an account, click on the login button and sign up using Google. Step 2, create art prompt or description. If you already have your art prompt ready, you can skip this step and move on to the next. To create your art prompt, we are using ChatGPT. Just enter your desired idea, like generate 5 stunning art images in a variety of styles. And boom, ChatGPT will give you 5 ideas in seconds. Now let's generate our art. Step 3, generate art and download. First, go to the AI Tools section and click on the AI Art Generator tool. We will explore these all AI tools in the coming videos. And if you want to see how to use AI Image Generator tool, then watch this video, link in the description. You can see this tool is 100% free and can generate stunning art. Click on the Generate for Free button. Enter your art prompt here, and here you can see the different styles of art. If you want to download this app, go here for iOS and Android. Now let's enter our first art prompt. If you want to create random art, click here, and AIease will give you some random ideas. Copy and paste our first art prompt from ChatGPT. Set your art ratio and select your desired style. I'm choosing the Cubist style and hit generate. AIease will generate the art instantly. See? The result is amazing. Now let's generate some more art. Now see the arts? It's amazing. To download this art, just go here and click download. That's it for today. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for upcoming videos where we will explore all these AI tools.